Welcome to Narisiki, and today let's see how to make mushroom spinach stir fry. Very easy side dish. You have taken mushrooms, clean them very nicely and slice. This is a very easy, within 5 minutes you can make this recipe, and healthy too. So I've taken some oil. You can take any oil you like. Add sliced mushrooms, and I've taken portobello mushroom. You can take button mushrooms also. High heat. Stir it and stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, and we are going to add a little bit of salt because we are going to add soya sauce. So make sure you add a little bit of salt initially. So I'm adding some salt. After adding salt, mushroom will release some water. Add sesame oil, few drops, rice vinegar and some soya sauce, and that's the reason adjust the quantity of the salt. Now stir fry for 2 minutes on high heat, and I'm using iron skillet. Red chili sauce as per your taste, or paprika, red chili powder, whatever you like, and stir fry medium heat. Now the mushrooms are cooked. Handful of baby spinach leaves, and saute on medium heat until spinach is wilted, and it's done. It's a perfect side dish with rice or with bread, and doesn't take much time. And you can add any more vegetables of your choice. Tofu goes well with this. Zucchini also goes well. So do try this. Please subscribe Narisiki, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.